When I was a little girl, I used to come here and visit when my dad worked on the airplanes.
Angela was probably about 7, 8 years old. At a young age, she expressed interest in working on airplanes.
My sister and I, we look inside, go inside the airplane here in the hangar and be able to look at what he did. As I grew up around it and as time went on, I was like learning about what he was doing at work or asking him, hey, how was your day? Or what'd you do today? Or what was broken? To get a familiar of how everything works or how they're fixing stuff. That just started to spark the interest.
When she said she wanted to get into aviation, I asked her, I said, you sure this is what you want to do? And she was pretty adamant and said yes.
4 years ago, I started my journey as a parts clerk here in the aviation industry here at Piedmont. When my dad gave me the opportunity, talked to me about it, and he said if it was something I was interested in, that I should apply, and I applied for it. And I've been here ever since. It's helped me get more familiar with the industry because now I know a majority of the parts that I also work with that I'll need later on in order to help me with my journey with maintenance as well. I finally just wrapped up finishing school, and now I'm going to take my test in order to get my license so I can be able to start working in the field. I'm pretty excited to start that new career part in my life and that journey going forward. Maybe it's expanding later either with Piedmont or American Airlines.
She's a fast learner, so that'll help her as soon as she gets her license and works alongside me.
I feel pretty excited working alongside my dad still till this day. When I have downtime and they're working on something in here, I'll ask what broke and he'll explain to me, hey, this is what we're working on, or this is what happened and this is what we gotta fix.
Here on the line, every day is different, and that's what I really like. Piedmont's a good airline to work for. Everybody gets along well. I'm looking forward to teaching her everything I learned.